Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in again. I've been kind of behind on the videos, but it's a busy season for me in my normal job, my full-time job. So I'm going to get a video out today, if you're seeing this today, I believe on Monday. And then I'm going to get another one out to go over last week's sales on Wednesday. I'll actually be traveling, but I will probably film it today and then send it out Wednesday. And a couple of you guys have asked for how I do my lighting and pictures, and although it's not really that big of a deal in terms of what I do, I don't have some fancy bunch of equipment, but I would love to film a video to go over my system. So I'm going to go over my lighting and my picture taking tonight. Look for that in Wednesday's video. And I hope to upload a video at least every Wednesday going over the weekly sales. And then as I am being able to put more up, I should be able to get some videos together every day. So I hope this is helping you guys out. I do look to put some more videos on the other side hustles that I do, including my property management. For those of you that don't know or might be new to my channel, I am a part-time eBay reseller. My channel is kind of devoted to motivation and training and just getting people out there to get rid of their excuses and go and do what they want to do and what they need to do. And so part of that is a series that I've recently started over the last couple of months in my eBay reselling. So it was something that's done really well for me, and I will continue to do it. I'm not sure that I'll ever go full-time, but it's definitely making some money for me. And so I would love to, all of my information has come from YouTube videos, to be real honest, and so I want to just give back. So the first thing, let's go over the week in sales. So this is the week, eBay does their weeks Sunday through Saturday. So this is the week of September 15th through the 21st. I sold a total of 7 items. Now, if you watched my previous video, I had a huge week of over $600 in sales. This was not that big of a week, but it was about average for me, a little bit below, but about average. And with the amount that I've been listing, I was actually very happy with it. The algorithm for eBay definitely rewards listing on a regular basis, and I was caught for a couple of weeks there. This is a really tough season for me because a lot of travel in my full-time job, not listing. And so I'm going to get back in the habit of listing every couple of days so that I can get that algorithm kind of going for me again. But my sales are still normal for me in terms of what I'm okay with. So let's go over it real quick. So the first thing that sold, if you is this, and listen guys, Cowboys. I'm a Cowboys fan for life. So haters gonna hate. I don't care whether they lose or win. I'm a Cowboys fan, and I believe they're gonna go all the way this year. But we say that every year for the last 20. But anyway, I sold this Dallas Cowboys foam hat right here. It was kind of a neat pickup I found in a garage sale. It's not a NFL registered. It obviously doesn't even say Cowboys. It just says Go Boys. I thought it was cool. I picked it up for 50 cents, and it sold for $15.50 plus the buyer paid shipping. The next items that sold, if you guys have been following the last couple of videos, I bought a lot of these LOL Surprise, these little bath fizz bombs. And so I sell them in packages of 10, and then I had a few extra, so I sold them in pairs of 2. The week that I'm going over, I sold 3 pairs of these to 3 different buyers, and I'm not going to put all of them up, but I sold them each pair for $7.63, and I paid shipping. So I'm 30 cents into these, so 60 cents total, plus $4 for shipping. So I'm making about $3-4 on each one of those. So it's 1, 2, 3. The fourth item that sold is this Logitech Webcam. This was a nice little 50-cent pickup at a garage sale. It was in a bag with a bunch of clearance stuff. It's just a plug-and-play webcam. Works great. I put it online here about a month ago, and it sold for $9.57 with the buyer paying shipping on top. The thing that saved my sales this week was this great find, amazing find I found it at an estate sale actually, and it's this VTech conference phone. I knew what it was because I had seen something similar from a company that I work for, and so as soon as I saw it, I was directed right to it. It was basically brand new. They were asking $50 for it, which was a steal at $50. But I don't like paying sticker price for anything, so I offered them $20, and they took $25 for it. So I got this for $25. They sell brand new for $300. I had this listed at $145, I believe, and I took a best offer. I was sitting on it for a couple of months. This isn't an item that I believe sells very quickly, but it will sell. And I took a best offer. The guy sent me an offer for, I think, $99. I shot back at him at $125, and then he shot back at $115, and I grabbed it. So $115, and I paid the shipping on that. The shipping was about $10, which is not bad at all. So great little purchase there. 25 bucks in, made 115 bucks on it. So great little thing there. This next item is a Marvel Spider-Man Titan Hero. It's a retail arbitrage that I picked up from Walmart. Actually, I am addicted to their clearance aisle, and a lot of times they have toys. Every once in a while I find Legos up there, which is really nice. Now retail arbitrage, you're going to spend a little bit more money up front, but they're new in box items, and I typically have a rule: anything retail arbitrage, I want a 3 for 1. Actually, on anything I want 3 for 1, but with garage sales, you're getting 500 to 1. But on retail arbitrage, for every dollar I spend, I want to make $3. So these were, I picked up a bunch of these for, I think, $3 a piece, and I sold it at $12.43 with the buyer paying shipping. So it was a really quick, easy, first-class ship. I'm really glad I got rid of that one. And that was it. So I sold 3 lots of those LOL Surprise. The very last thing I sold Saturday was one of those LOL Surprises again. So 3 of those. So a total for this week, guys, I did, I had it written down, and now I'm going to have to go back and redo it. So let me do that. This is where the power of editing comes in. So total for that week was $192.99. So 193 bucks. That's shipping, everything. That's gross sales. So obviously that's not what I pocketed on those. But I typically do about 70% profit. And so I made, if you take that 192, so take 200, I made about 150 bucks, $130 on that for a week. So a lot of people that maybe that's not worth it, but honestly, I didn't do a lot of listing, a lot of work. These were already listed. So this whole week was just seeing the money come in. So you're going to have these down weeks, but at the same time, would you rather have 150 bucks in your pocket or not for 1 week? So I am super happy with that. Stay tuned. I'm going to do another video where I go over my lighting and just some basic stuff, real quick stuff. And then in a couple of days, I will release a video for this week, which was a pretty decent week in sales. And it includes actually a buyer sale. Or I'm sorry, not a buyer sale, a viewer sale. One of my YouTube viewers bought something from me, and I want to shout him out, so look for that on Wednesday. Yeah, again, guys, leave me some comments. Let me know what you want to see. Give me some feedback. How are the videos looking, sounding? Any tips that you would have for me. I'm always learning, always listening. And so, again, thank you guys so much. I've had a few new subscribers come on board in the last week, and I really appreciate that. And I hope you guys stay involved and active. Thank you for watching my videos and taking the time out of your day to do that. I really, really appreciate it. And I look forward to seeing you in a couple of days. All right, guys. Be awesome. See ya.